गुड मॉर्निंग मार्वेलस महिलाज। आप सबका हमारी टीम मान महिला की तरफ से बहुत बहुत स्वागत।
गुड मॉर्निंग मार्वेलस महिलाज। आज हमारे साथ एक मार्वेलस महिला जुड़ने वाली है जिनका नाम कांता शर्मा है। शी इज अ चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट एंड शी इज फ्रॉम न्यू दिल्ली। तो चलो मैम से सुनते हैं उनके बारे में। मैम प्लीज अपनी जर्नी के बारे में हमारे साथ कुछ डिस्कस करें।
See, I am Kanta Sharma, chartered accountant, as you introduced myself, and this is the only designation I am having. But I am very much proud to be a chartered accountant because being a chartered accountant, especially the time when I became a chartered accountant, was not that easy. It is not easy in present scenario, but at that time, result was just 4-5%, and qualifying in that era was just a proud feeling. And I'm not saying that it is not a proud moment now, but numbers are more, but at that time numbers are very less. In my batch, when I qualified in 1993, there were only 6 girls were there in my batch. So I did from Jaipur, Rajasthan. So it was that time very proud feeling. I was so proud to be a chartered accountant that now I have got the power to question even Prime Minister. This was the first feeling I got, that by checking his accounts, by checking his administration, I can even question the Prime Minister of India and Supreme Court judge also. That power I got with my signature. That's a proud feeling I got being a chartered accountant. So that's what my introduction is, what my feeling about the chartered accountancy is. And I think we should pursue with this, we should carry on with this feeling, and we should inculcate it further and should not let it go down. But what is going on in present scenario, everybody is not very happy to being a chartered accountant. But I would say that you have your power and try to realize it. Try to use it. You are getting money or not, that's a different thing. But you should use your power. Being a chartered accountant, you have a very highly qualified and very high degree in your hand to question anybody you like.
So nice, ma'am. Heading towards next question, as you mentioned about your chartered accountancy practice, please let us know any challenges you have seen, you have faced in your life like till now. Challenges?
I would say I am a very much fortunate woman. I was a fortunate girl, fortunate woman, until now I am very much fortunate. Not much of the challenges I have felt in my life, but I would say I cleared my CA exam till 3 groups.
Okay.
Inter first, second group, final first group in first attempt.
Okay.
And very good marks. I have 60% plus, 65% plus marks in all the subjects.
Very good.
And in second group, I felt a little bit jolt. So it told me that CA is not that easy. So anyway, I forgot that, and now I feel that it was a good phase that I did not come through much of the challenges. And in my professional life also, being I got the firm with my husband, so I did not face much of the challenge in establishing myself. But it was a very much mediocre firm. Say me and my husband were the partner in that, and we were working well. But since childhood, there's a leadership instinct inside me. In my school, I was a class monitor, class representative in every committee. In my college, I was the class rep of that college committee. But after being CA, it was a huge area. There was no segregation. But you are representing on all India basis, so there was no limit that how can you present yourself. So something was sprouting in my heart that how to reach the masses, and I was feeling so much other setbacks in my life that so much of the you can say जैसे favoritism बहुत ज़्यादा था हमारे profession में, so it was hurting me in how to resolve that. It was coming up in my mind, and that's why I started writing. And because जब तक आदमी को चोट नहीं लगती तब तक उसका असर, उसको दर्द का एहसास भी नहीं होता. जब चोट लगनी शुरू होती है जिंदगी में, तब वो उसको रिजॉल्व करने की भी कोशिश करता है. तो this is how I started my life as being a outspoken person or person in the public life.
Your social change you want to refer here?
Social changes तो बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरत है, जिसकी वजह से I am in the upfront now. I am in the mainstream area. I am not simply going to my office, working there, earning money and going home. I am not that type of person because I cannot. There are so many changes are required. Being at political, being at institute level, being at our surrounding. You see in your surrounding, you'll find so many injustice around you. And if you keep quiet and like a dead body, you are just living your life, eating food and going it's not going to work. I want every woman, every person, I'm not gender biased. I want every person should come forward and face the challenges and speak against the injustice. If you are feeling like in small colonies, people are dominating you, your neighbor is dominating you, you are just tolerating and keeping quiet. कौन लड़ाई में पड़ेगा? So he will rise more on you. So at the very beginning, you should conquer over the injustice over you. अपने तुम ससुराल में देख लो, अपने तुम घर में देख लो. तुम अगर सुनोगे किसी की without any justification, so you will be dominated more. So I want every person, not only women, every person, that you should stand for your justice.
Yes. A specific woman you admire most?
See, I am a person who take positive from everybody.
Okay.
मेरे लिए मेरा पड़ोसी भी उतना ही इंस्पिरेशनल है जितना कि किसी के लिए एक बड़ा नेता हो सकता है, महात्मा गांधी हो सकते हैं या कोई भी एक लीडर हो सकता है. I take out best out of everything. So it is my positivity that make me to work better and do more. Wow. So I don't discriminate. मैं किसी को इतना वो भी नहीं करती कि हाँ I am just following him whether he is right or wrong. I take out best out of everything. तो मैं ये सब मेरा वो है कि आगे बढ़ने का तरीका कि किसी हर आदमी में अच्छाई भी होती है, हर आदमी में बुराई भी होती है. तो टेक बेस्ट फ्रॉम एवरीथिंग, everybody, and use that and enhance your knowledge, enhance your passion, enhance your area of work. That is my
very nice, very nice. Great words coming from a great leader. Definitely, we have to, as you know, the time has this session is brief. We would like to ask you some advices which you feel you can give to aspiring women who are doing business or some pretty jobs.
Advice to every woman is know your potential. You are not less from anybody. You are more capable than you are a person. Women especially are the person who manages house as well as that office. Yes. And create a balance. Men are never multitasker. Women are multitasker always. Men, if you say 2 tasks to a man, he will get confused. कि हम अपने हमारा गैस पे काम भी चल रहा होगा और हम अपना कंप्यूटर पे लैपटॉप पे भी देख लेंगे सामान. So you have the potential. You have the challenge, but simply you are not utilizing it. That is my message to every woman, that rise up from any of the discrimination and show your potential and come out with that, and somebody and other will definitely will help you. Here I would like to say that I am founder of my CA firm, Grandmark and Associates. Earlier it was just 2-partner firm, as I told you, but it was my dream to be, because of my discrimination towards the small firm, I thought I have to challenge that. They were big everywhere. Big fours were challenging CA firms, small CA firms, and even Indian CA firms. So I thought it's a discrimination. Every good work you see going to Deloitte, going to KPMG, going to PwC, and we Indian CA firm being capable of doing everything, we are not assigned the job. Yes. So I took the challenge and I have taken it head on. That's why I formed a firm. Within a year span, I am top 20 CA firms of India. And my dream is to make it on the top 5 in the next 2 years. In अभी तो वो सिर्फ in terms of branches and partners है, but in 2 सालों में ये in turnover terms में भी हम जरूर top 5 में पहुंच जाएंगे. This is my determination and I am going to do. And I have done all this on my own. It's not that I am a very much small CA person, but you see, by exploring my potential, yes, it is the support of my husband who was rock solid behind me and my every motive. He gave me all possible support. So we created this firm and we are now in top 20 CA firms of India.
Great.
So being a woman, I did not undermine myself कि मैं ये कैसे कर सकती हूँ. And being a single, me and my husband being such a small people, we have taken Big Force head on. Now everybody in entire India knows us. She is the Kanta Sharma is a woman who has taken head on Big Force. You can see my record with CA Institute, with so many good lawyers, Prashant Bhushan I have spoken to, and I am taking every possible step to demean the big value of Big Force and bring the Indian CA firms on the forefront.
Make a parity.
And qualifying that.
Drafting.
No Indian CA firm could have qualified in that. The terms and conditions and nature of work, you can see any small 2-partner CA firm can do. But the terms and conditions were defined like that. Only Big Fours were qualifying that. So I took the challenge head on, and I challenged that tender, and that tender got cancelled.
Okay.
It was a big victory for me that tender was cancelled, and now it will be redrafted to suit the demands of the Indian cities.
Yes, one should have that courage to speak.
Yes, you have to have courage to speak. People will all follow you. It's not that you will be alone. People will. आप चलते चलो कर्मा बनता जाएगा. It's like that only. So आपको सिर्फ एक कदम उठाना है. That's my message to all the women.
At the end, we have to thank you. Bundle of thanks coming from Maan Mahila ka ma'am. It was lovely hearing you.